Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. If you look to the right side of your aircraft, you will notice Flight 198 challenging us to a race. I've turned the fasten seatbelt sign back on because shit is about to get real.
Ich bin stabil, das kleine Kind.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है।
Jake, came off the barbecue.
Dad!
What? Sweet.
So, tell me, Dan, is this glass half empty or half full? Well, when you see how much air's in that glass, it's completely full. Heck, it's overflowing. You're hired. Welcome to Lay's.
Yen O L D S C W A R Z E N E J E R Arnold Arnold Subhash Nagar